Hi guys, let's look at how you can come up with a house help booking management system. So we shall start by looking at one, then later on we shall design one. So guys, you launch this system of ours. Make sure you enable the macros. So we enable the macros. Then the system loads from the splash form, goes to the login window. So here we key in the username and the password. So once we do that, you'll notice that you are logged in as the username. Then you can also click to hide the ribbon. Then guys, after doing that, you can realize that we have the forms and also we have the reports. So here, you need to first of all start by keying in the services. Like for instance, I can feed the services. Like here you can have service 001, then this is laundry. So this is washing clothes. Then charges, let's say 250 per hour. Then we have S002, the next service. The next service can be gardening. This is, we can just say talk of farming. Then you can have service 003. This one you can talk of that is nursing, child nursing. So this one you can just have the house girl. So this one, for example, can be charged that way. This one can be charged that way. So these are just for demonstration purposes. Guys, after feeding this, you can just have this one saved. So this one is the service. Then we can go to dashboard by crossing this. So once I feed the services, I can go ahead and capture the helpers details. Like for example, you can have H001. Then you can have his or her first name, Sarah. Okay, that one needs to be changed to black. Let's say Jambi. Then phone number, you can put in a number. Then skills here, you can choose any skill. Then after doing that, you cross that one. Then now we go to the next one. The next one is we can fill our customer name, the customer who need to book a house help. So you can have customer 001. Then the first name here is say John Peters. Then phone number, let's say +66. You guess in a number there, since you're not using real numbers. Then you can have John Peters. Let's say a certain number at hotmail.com. Remember, you're not using actual details of anybody. This is just for demonstration purposes. So contact information, you can have something like a certain box, Nairobi. Let's say this is a customer. So we can also add another customer. You see now from here you have customer 002. So you can also have customer 002. Then this is Jane Jebet. Phone number, any number there. Then you can have Jane Jebet at, let's say, gmail.com. Then contact information, a certain number, Meru. Then guys, we have that. So if I come to this point here, you can see now I have my two customers. We have Janet and John Peter. So guys, after doing that one, I can just save and cross. So the next thing is to book and then pay. So we just go to booking details here. So we can have book ID. So we can have book number 1. Book number 1 has booked customer 001 for service 001, and then you can just key in the date and time. Let's say 12:00 on 27/04/2023. That is the booking date. Then duration, let's say 2 days. 2 days. And at a total cost, let's say, of a certain amount of money you agree. Then we have book 002. This is book 001. This one now books for customer 2. Then for which service, let's say service number 3, you key in the time, you key in the duration of the booking and total cost. So this is the booking module. Then later on, after doing that, you just go now to payment module, where you see you choose now the helper ID you want. The payment you just put there. You can look at the booking number. You can put the customer number who does that, and then you do the payment for the purposes of receipting. So guys, this is basically the data capture. That is the data capture. The data capture GUI. So we have the booking details form. We have the customers. These are the guys who are booking for the helpers. Then we can't forget our key entity here. Remember, our system is house help booking management system. So we must have the helpers detail, where we shall capture the helper ID, first name, last name, phone number, email, contact, and the skills. The skills given by this guy. You can also capture the photo of the helper here in this module. So you can just go to where the pictures are or where the photos are, and then you can be in a position to, let's say, put a photo of a helper. You can just put a photo of a helper. Like now, for example, I may opt to have this person, then key in the details. So we also have now the payment module, very important. Then the services module. Later on, guys, we have the reports. Like now, you can just populate. Once you read the helper, payment ID is captured, booking ID is captured, customer ID is captured, and the amount paid is captured. So guys, I'll be taking you through in my next video how to come up with this system from scratch. Guys, remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share my videos with your fellow students or with your friends.